AI is in 77% of the devices we use every day. But what is AI? How does it learn? And should we be scared of it? Picture this now. It's bedtime. You're desperate for your kids to fall asleep. It is when they are their most wonderful. And then one of them drops a bomb like, how does Google know everything? Or, Dad, is Alexa a real person? If you've ever fumbled for an answer, you are not alone. In today's video, I'm breaking down what AI really is, how it already runs in your home, and why busy parents and people like us should actually care. And I promise, no boring over the top tech jargon, okay? Sound good? Okay, let's get into it.
Okay, you are probably going to be a very successful computer person.
AI sounds like sci-fi, right? But here's the crazy part. 77% of all the devices we use every single day already have some form of AI built in. And yet only about a third of people realize they're using it. By the end of this video, you'll be able to explain AI to your kids, impress your friends at dinner, and maybe even save yourself a parenting headache or two. So, first things first, what is AI really?
I don't know.
Really? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is just technology designed to act a little bit like human intelligence, instead of just following fixed instructions like traditional computer programs. It can spot patterns, make decisions, and adapt when things change. The easiest way to explain it, AI is like a digital brain. It doesn't think or feel like us, but it can process massive amounts of information and quickly choose the best option. For an analogy, imagine a football manager who has watched every single football match in history and remembers them. They instantly know the right strategy for any opponent because they've seen them all. That's AI. It crunches through the information and picks the best play, only it never gets tired or needs a coffee break.
I said, coffee, coffee, coffee. Right. As in, I really need coffee, coffee, coffee.
Inside that big idea of AI, there's something called machine learning. Think of AI as the whole team and machine learning as the star player. Machine learning is the method that actually teaches AI.
Tell me how!
Instead of giving the computer every rule to follow, we give it tons of examples and it learns the patterns on its own. So essentially, AI is the big umbrella for all things smart tech, and machine learning is the main way AI learns to be smart. Okay, but how does AI actually learn? So traditional computer programs are like recipes. You give them step-by-step instructions and the computer will always follow them the same way every single time, giving you the exact same outcome no matter how many times you run it.
Again and again and again.
AI with machine learning is different. Instead of spelling out every rule, we feed it examples until it can figure out the rules itself. Think of it like this: training a puppy. Now, you don't give a puppy an instruction manual.
Smart move.
You show it what you want, reward it when it gets close, and it learns a little bit at a time. Kids' drawings as an example. If you wanted to teach an AI to tell cats from dogs, you wouldn't simply say, cats have got pointy ears, dogs have got long snouts. There's too many exceptions, too many differences, and too many variations between breeds for that to work. Instead, you show it thousands of examples of cats and dogs, and over time it learns the subtle patterns of what makes up a cat or a dog, so that it can recognize one even if it hasn't seen that exact breed before. The more examples it sees, the better it gets at spotting patterns and making predictions. And you already see this every day. Here's two examples. Using ChatGPT to polish an email, you type out the rough draft to your child's teacher, then ask ChatGPT to write it in a more professional manner. Behind the scenes, it's already learned from millions of examples of formal writing, so it knows the patterns.
We were just...
Oh, look, patterns.
Oh, these are...
So it knows the patterns of clear, polite communication. It doesn't copy one specific email. It creates something new based on those patterns it's learnt. Netflix recommendations. Sure, you've noticed how Netflix seems to know your kid's next favorite cartoon or suggests the exact show that you'll binge next. That's because it's compared your viewing habits with millions of others, learned the patterns, and as a result, has predicted what you'll probably enjoy. So, if your kid asks, how does AI work, you can now answer in one sentence. It learns from examples, just like you do, and then uses those patterns to make smart guesses about what comes next. By the way, If this just helped AI finally click for you, do me a massive favor and hit that like button. It really helps other parents find this video. And if you want more plain English guides just like this, go ahead and subscribe as well so you don't miss the next one. Genuinely, as a small channel, I really appreciate every single one.
Thank you.
Now, let's get on to the fun stuff. Now, let's talk about the buzzwords you may have heard. Generative AI or just Gen AI. This is the flashy player on the team, one that doesn't just analyze, but actually creates text, images, music, even videos, like the last training montage you saw in the previous section. Think of ChatGPT or Google Gemini writing bedtime stories on demand. I've done a video on that. The link is down in the description. Or an art app drawing a picture of a dinosaur playing football in your kid's favorite cartoon style. Back in the 90s, we had Clippy, the little Microsoft paperclip. You remember him? Generative AI is like Clippy on steroids. It doesn't just suggest. You ask and it creates something brand new. Okay, so where does this show up in our lives daily as busy parents? 1. Voice assistants. You're stirring the pasta, hands full, and yell, "Hey, Alexa, set a 7-minute timer." Boom, done. I'm going to have to remember to turn it off.
I forgot.
Spotify, the scary accurate you might like list? Yeah, AI machine learning working the way in the background, analysing your listening habits and comparing it to the patterns of millions of others. Waze, Google Map, rerouting you around traffic on the way to school pickup. That's AI predicting delays and being proactive about helping you avoid them. Smartphones. Cameras automatically focusing on the toddler's face, blurring the background for that perfect shot.
This is a great shot, Mav. I should be a photographer.
Google phones have Gemini being on right now, and iPhones have Siri. Anyway, spam filters and autocorrect. Every time your phone saves you from sending duck in instead of, well, you know. That's AI working behind the scenes. Truth is, you're already using AI in every single day. You just see them as helpful apps that just kind of happen in the background. So, what does that mean for us as parents? AI isn't going to fold the laundry yet, change nappies, or magically make teenagers less moody, although we can dream and who knows one day.
Bummer.
But it will shave minutes off chores, help keep schedules on track, and answer those endless "why is the sky blue" questions, so you don't have to.
Stop right there. I'm in.
And be used for a bit of fun once in a while. The bottom line, AI isn't replacing parenting, just another tool in your toolkit, like microwaves, Google search, or that life-saving toy that keeps your toddler in for 20 minutes straight that you crack out on special occasions or when you just need 5 minutes peace. Ooh, 5 minutes peace.
Never going to happen.
If this video finally made AI and machine learning make sense, do me a favor, as I said before, hit that like button so YouTube knows that you're not a robot. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the AI you most use at home? Is it Netflix knowing your kid's next favorite cartoon, Gmail catching spam, or maybe Alexa helping with timers while you're doing the cooking? Drop it in the comments down below. I would love to see which one parents can't live without. And if you want more plain English explainers that make text simple for busy parents, hit that subscribe button and stick around. I've got plenty more coming your way. Thanks for watching. YouTube thinks you will like this awesome video up here, so go ahead and click on that, and I will catch you in the next one. Stay peachy.